Guys, welcome back again to another video from your girl Kiissi Unstoppable, and today I'm going to show you how to make pumpkin punch. So as you can see, I have my pumpkin here, I have my condensed milk, I have some almonds, vanilla, I have a tin supper jam and some dragon stout, and here I have a nutmeg. So I'm gonna peel my pumpkin, wash my pumpkin and put it to boil. And I'm gonna put my pumpkin in to boil. The pumpkin to the blender. So I'm gonna blend now. So this set is blend. I'm gonna pour it in my bowl. You don't need to strain it. There's nothing to strain from it. So as you can see, I finished blending my pumpkin. Look at that. So now I'm gonna add my dragon stout. Some vanilla, a little bit of rose water, a little tip of almond, my supper jam, now I'm gonna grate with some nutmeg. So now I'm gonna put in my condensed milk. I'm gonna use the whole tin. Scrape out everything. So that's the finished product of my pumpkin punch. Look at that. Look how lovely this looks. All I want you guys to do, share this video out with your friends, your family. Don't forget to hit that notification button so you know each time I upload a video. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? And don't forget to watch my other videos. Comment down below, let me know what you think about my pumpkin punch. And if you try this recipe at home, please tag me in it at Kiissi Kitchen on Instagram. So that's Kiissi Kitchen on Instagram. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye until next time. Peace out.